Today I'm going to show a demo of Baton's cleared collateral platform. This platform is in production today with several major FCMs and CCPs. Baton's cleared collateral platform offers a variety of functionality to the FCMs today. In particular, we have a summary screen that normalizes and standardizes information coming from all of the CCPs. We have a collateral profile screen, which is a very quick and easy way to see haircut and cuff information across the CCPs. And we offer a consolidated source to pledge and recall assets directly to the CCPs without having to go to each of their GUIs. Now we'll get started on the summary screen. We have sorted the data by the largest excess. From this screen, you can get an overall picture of requirements and holdings, both cash and non-cash, at a summary level. By expanding any account, you can see a more detailed view by currency. Here we can see there is a $3.9 million Aussie dollar non-cash collateral posted. Let's remember that number. On the right-hand side, we show the last time the information was updated. All of this information is updated intraday as real-time as each CCP offers. The information is, of course, downloadable to Excel, and with integration can be sent to FCMs via API or SFTP. Now we will use the ribbon at the bottom to navigate to the global long box. The global long box consolidates all of the assets of an FCM, both encumbered assets, which we consider to be what is already posted to the CCPs, and unencumbered assets, which may be held in FCM custodial accounts. Baton obtains the CCP assets via our direct connectivity with each CCP. For the unencumbered assets, FCMs can upload that information via this button here, or we can integrate directly with an FCM's custodian to retrieve that information in near real time. If we filter on clearing broker, these are all of the assets held by the FCM and available to post onward to the CCPs. By filtering on the CME and Aussie dollar, we find the assets that make up the Aussie dollar posting that we saw earlier on the summary screen. Now let's do some postings. We'll navigate to the movements section on the ribbon at the bottom. We see most FCMs on the Baton GUI using the bulk upload functionality. Baton also offers integration to have these postings streamed directly from an FCM's margin platform. From here, we can download the template, populate that template, and then upload a series of movements using the CSV file. This allows you to use the Baton platform across several CCPs rather than logging into each of the individual CCP GUIs. Today we will demonstrate how to pledge a single asset. We're going to pledge to the CME, and we will choose this first account here. Once we do that, we see our available long box assets. We will post out these French government bonds, but not the entire position. We will post 10 mil par amount. Here we can see the orange circle on the left-hand side has given us a warning, so let's take a look at that. We see that we can't pledge French govies to the CME at this point in the day. From here, we have the option to ignore the warning and submit anyway, which we will do today for demo purposes. Here we can see our pledge has been created, and if we click into the line item, we can see the status progression on the left-hand side. Pledging and recalling is the same consistent process across all CCPs, all done from the Baton Cleared Collateral platform. Next, we will move over to the collateral profile screen. On this screen, we can look at assets and their respective haircuts at the various CCPs. This allows for a quick compare across the CCPs for a single asset, or we also allow for the bulk upload of a group of assets. This will help in the decision-making process for pledging assets. Lastly, we will cover the Baton Rules engine. The Baton Rules engine allows FCMs to begin to automate certain processes they are doing today. We have shown some examples of default rules we have created here. Each rule has a trigger, a condition, and an action to take. For example, this first rule is triggered to run at 11 a.m. daily. The condition is if there is an excess exceeding 15 mil at Eurex. And the action is to then notify the user if the condition is met. Rules can also be used to automatically generate a movement to sweep the excess back to the FCM. Thank you very much for watching our demo. I'm going to throw it back to Alex now, where I will be joining him for our Q&A. Thank you very much.